Delz.
Funko Pop addicts, welcome to a brand new detailed look. This one is the Comic-Con exclusive for 2019 of Thor. Bang that thumbs up button because we're about to take Thor out of the box. And there he is out of the box. He is a bobblehead. And he was a little wobbly for a second. Most of the Marvel Funko Pops are bobbleheads. I did recently review the Marvel movie moments Thor vs. Thanos, and that was actually not a bobblehead. You could actually find that for under retail. Check out that review. I will link it in the description box below, actually where you could find that Funko Pop for under retail and a ton of other ones, including this store you still could pick up now. And I just feel like this is a must-have. If you're a fan of Marvel and Thor, like, you have to have this Funko Pop. There's no way of passing on this if you're like a die-hard Marvel person, especially when it comes to the comic books. Helmet up top looks fantastic. Oh, shit. Whoa, that was close. Thor almost caught an L. There's a look at his back right there. And there's a look at his other side. And definitely, once again, in my opinion, a must-have if you're a fan of Marvel, especially the comic books. I love this right here. I have so many Thor Funko Pops. I have about maybe 7 or 8 different ones, and I needed something like this. Like, this is a necessity for me. I see the horn right there. Oh my gosh. I've been wanting this, and I just scored it.
Delz.
We're gonna do a quick vlog. Barnes & Noble's first. They got tons of these still. How much do they want for it? 40 bucks. I hate how they overprice everything during these things. This one's really dope. Love this movie. I actually have the original book set from back in the days from my mother. Pretty crazy. Awesome pop. There's tons of them though. Look how many. Which is fine. I always say, man, it's good when they're sitting. I'm not a reseller, I'm a collector, so I'm happy to see they have shitloads of these. Very good. Let's go check out the mall. So I called Hot Topic, they're sold out of the Dragon Ball Z. And I called FYE, sold out on that Masters of the Universe exclusive, but I got my homeboy who got me and I'm about to link up with. He knew I wanted it, so shout out to my dude Paris. About to go pick that up, and then we'll check also GameStop, and we will also check out Box Lunch. We'll see our luck. Suck, man. Look at my windshield wiper. Horrible, man. It's raining and my windshield wiper is broken. Ah! Alright, we are in the mall with Dry. Let's go to Box Lunch. Hopefully they got Arya Starks. They got them. Waiting online. What do you guys think of all of these? Love this one. Alright, so we got Arya Starks. Very happy. I asked them if I could have this empty box just to protect it because I'm such a damn klutz. I will destroy this pop by the time I get into the car. Oh, what up, man? You on the vlog? Say what's up, man.
What's up?
What's goody?
You good, man?
Chilling, bro.
Awesome. Oh, you rocking the D Wade's?
Yeah, man. I'm going a little different, man. D Wade's on feet today.
Okay.
The laser horse joints.
Nice.
So,
those are clean.
Yeah. So I'm just shopping today. My man Paris came through crazy. He told me the box was a little jacked up, but hey, sometimes you gotta work with what you can get. We got the bad boy right there. Buzz off. Box is fucked up though. He wasn't lying. My guy Paris wasn't lying. Yo, thank you, brother. My man right there. Yo, man. Happy to have it though. I needed this one. We're gonna go to GameStop in just a second. Shoot the shit over here. Talk some kicks. We at Foot Locker. Talking them kicks. They still got these sneakers right here. What do you guys think of these? I'm not with them, but I don't think they're terrible. Just too much colors going on for me. But let's go to GameStop. Let's get out of here. I got my pops, man. I threw the other one, the Masters of the Universe Buzz Off, in this box right here because it fits 3 pops. And let's go to GameStop. Then we'll go to the casa. All right. Welcome to GameStop. See what they got.
We got some more of the East Coast Comic Con ones.
Let me see that. What? Oh, that's one dope.
What you got here, man? What you got?
Check it out. I like this one, and I love this video game. I'm a pass though on this.
Yeah. We got the other cool one we got was the Xenomorph Alien for the 4th anniversary.
Yeah, I've seen this. This one's dope. Bunch of new pops in. And I did check out. I'll show you exactly what I got when we get to the house, which will be in just a second. So let's go to the house. Right, we are at the casa. If you haven't banged that thumbs up button, please do so. And write in the comments, I love Funko. It helps my channel out so much. YouTube gathers all that information, all that, and will recommend my channel to more people. And thank you so much. Now, let's show you all the pickups. So at GameStop, I got Thor. Had to get Thor. Huge fan. I have a lot of different Thors, and I wanted to get that original traditional look, so I needed this for the collection. Looks fantastic, so happy to have it. Next, we have got the metallic Gajeel, and this pop is sick. I'm a little bummed out though because I don't know if it's showing, but the paint isn't very good. There is like some glue marks on the eye. I actually already removed it from the box and it was a lot worse. I wish that I actually filmed when I originally got it so you could see, but the pop in general is sick looking. This is one of my favorites that released from today. I mean, there were so many sick ones, but I mean, that one looks incredible. And the other two you've seen on the vlog, I picked up Arya Starks. Now this is the second one that I own. I own the first one that ever released, and I'm pretty sure this is the second one to release. Very, very happy to have it. I was absolutely shocked that I was able to get this because I was super late to the party when it came to this, and from online it seemed like everyone was really thirsty for this one. People were already saying, oh, it's reselling for this amount of money. So whenever you see people talking about how much a pop's reselling, kind of makes me think, this is going to be hard to get. But I was able to get it, and they had a couple of others left, but the boxes were pretty beat. This was the best out of all the boxes, so you know, definitely happy to have it. And man, I can't wait for Game of Thrones to come back. It's so close. It is so close to the beginning of the end. And last but not least, this pop I really wanted. There's rumors this is the last Masters of the Universe Funko Pop that will release, and I hope that's not true, but what we have here is Buzz Off. The box is beat up, which really sucks, but it's really better to have it than not to have it. I want all of the villains. That's my whole goal, and I have most of the villains. There's a few that I am looking for still, but how to get this. And once again, shout out to my dude for the lookout. He was able to go there early. I wasn't able to get to the mall that early, so you know, it was definitely a great look to be able to get Buzz Off over at FYE. And that really concludes, you know, what I got for today. Oh, gotta show you this. This was something I've been wanting to find for forever. The Angus Young Funko Pop Chase. What's so cool about this one is that he got horns coming out of his hat. And also on the artwork, it actually has horns. Versus the actual common, it doesn't have the horns on the hat. So I thought that was really cool that they actually switched up the artwork for the chase. You don't normally see that a lot, and I just am very happy to actually finally get it, because it was something I've been wanting for a hot minute, and I was able to lock it in. Let me know in the comments what you guys picked up today, and let me know if there is anything you're looking for. Maybe someone can help you out. You know, with me, I always read the comments, so I'm sure other people read the comments too. Maybe they could help you out. I'm looking at this pop right here because this was another pain in the ass to pick up. and that was this one. When this released last year, very difficult to get. I had to buy from a flipper, but I had to have this one. As I said, I'm trying to get all of the villains. I actually still need Beastman. That's one that I definitely need. There's a couple of others. And also an update for people that have not seen my review on the metallic Skeletor. There was an issue where, see right there, the box was ripped. I actually contacted them and they finally got back to me and told me, well, they didn't tell me much. They just sent me a tracking with a replacement box. I have a funny feeling they're just sending me an empty box. If that's the case, that's totally fine. I just want this without the rip. I hate having boxes with rips up top. It just bothers the hell out of me. It just really bothers the hell out of me. So I'm glad that I will be getting, hopefully, a mint box. Maybe they'll send me a whole new Funko Pop, who knows, but I have a funny feeling I'll just be getting the mint box. This is another Masters of the Universe Funko Pop that I absolutely love. The Moss Man, sick pop with that flocked vibe. And Toys R Us is coming back from what I'm understanding. There's actually a flocked Beastman, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know if that's true or not. I'm pretty sure there was. And I think that one was also a Toys R Us exclusive. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will try to give you guys detailed out of the box looks with all of these Funkos. I will list in the description box below where you can find some of these still. I just recently released this Agent J exclusive, the Bulbasaur, the, let's see, oh, the exclusive Charlotte Flair, which is supposed to be a Foot Locker exclusive, but WWE sold it early. Batista, I reviewed actually all of the new WWE Funko Pops. So check out all of these reviews. I did a vlog too for Target Con, real great vlog. Watch all the content if you're new here. We got tons of Funko, all different types. You see, we even got Britney Spears. We got all types of Funko here. So if you're new here, if you love Funko, if you love detailed looks out of the box especially, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't left a comment, please write a comment. Let me know what was good for you today with your shopping. Did you even pick up anything? Was it a no-look pass? Let me know. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow with a new vid. We out.